Have you ever seen this photo and thought to yourself, this is great evidence for evolution? It was a fraud. Ernest Haeckel's embryological stages of development photo has been a known scientific fraud since the 1860s. However, for some reason, it is still proposed to students as evidence for evolution and is found modernly in many scientific textbooks. PhD holder in cellular and molecular biology Jonathan Wells writes in his book Icons for Evolution that these photographs were actually doctored and falsified by Ernest Haeckel. He deceptively drew these images to appear more similar to one another than they truly are in reality. Secondly, Ernest Haeckel intentionally cherry-picked the types of animals that he used to display his hypothesis. For example, instead of using the frog that looks distinctly different than some of the other embryos he was using in his experiment, he chose to use the salamander that looked similar. Furthermore, Ernest Haeckel actually lied about what stage of development the embryos represented. He said that it was the early stages of development. It was actually the mid stages of development where the embryos do start to look more similar. Why is this being proposed in modern day textbooks as scientific data? It was falsified and doctored.